Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Shark cordless vacuum not charging, battery, dock and reset guide step by step. Fix 1. Check the power outlet. Unplug the charger from the wall outlet, then plug another device into the same outlet. If the outlet doesn't work, try a different one. Plug the Shark charger back in and check if they start charging. Second one is check the charging dock. Place the charging dock on a flat surface, then make sure the dock is plugged in securely. Check that the charging light on the dock is on, then place the vacuum correctly on the dock. Third one is clean the charging contact. Turn off the vacuum, then remove it from the charger. Wipe the metal charging contact on both the vacuum and dock with a dry microfiber cloth. Then remove any dust or dirt. Then place the vacuum back on the charger. Fourth one is reset the battery. Turn off the vacuum, then remove the battery. Wait about 30 seconds, then reinsert the battery until it clicks into place. Then try charging again. Fifth one is let the battery cool down. Remove the vacuum from the charger. Then if it was recently used, let it cool for 30 to 60 minutes. Then keep it in a cool dry room. Try charging again. Thanks for watching.